Oh my god, bro is actually late. Like, why is he always so late? And it's just insane. Like, realistically, it's not even funny at this point. Like, he should just be on stream at the right time, and then everything will be okay, wouldn't it? Yeah, that's right. I don't know what he's doing, man. I actually don't know what this guy's playing at. Oh, you guys thought I was going to start a stream, huh? Oh, you thought it was going to be like stream starting after I speak? No, that's not how it works around here, chat. You have to get to at least like 20 likes on the stream. Because realistically, there's like 45 of you in here right now and only 4 of you have liked, which is like a 10% ratio, which to be honest, to me, chat, is a little bit disrespectful. So I reckon I might just not stream. Because I don't know if you guys deserve it. Realistically, it's just not on. Actually. Fine. We got to 10. Alright. I forgive you guys, don't worry. I can never stay mad at you guys. Should we start the stream? Are we ready, chat? Aye, Captain. I can't hear you. Mad. SpongeBob, you know. Chat, what's popping? How we doing, man? Welcome back to the streams. Good evening, good morning, good night. Happy Hanukkah. Actually, no, I bun that. Listen, chat. We're out here. Time to make a milli today. Literally 1 milli. What's good, Triz? What's good, Mark? Eugene, Danny, Stacks. Triz again, Eugene again. Who else is out here, man? Weelu, what's good? Not Millie, Billy. Zeno, what's good? Ewan. Oh my god, he said my name twice. Bro is wittily thirsty for it right now, eh? Listen, chat. I'm not being funny. I might have to beat you all up. I don't know why. Just might have to. Gold is being a little bit cray-cray right now. Broke London lows. I think that's commonly known as a liquidity sweep. But let's see, man. Let me jump in a quick market anal. Right? Daily's actually flipped bearish. Gold genuinely looks like a meme coin right now, by the way, chat. This is actually how a meme coin trades sometimes. A little bit sideways and then just... whoop-ah! It's actually just gone, yeah, actually, you know what? Let me just... Did someone knock on my door? Nah, no way Tom would have knocked, alright? This guy would have just gone... whoop-ow. Yeah, interesting. Daily pushing up, pushing back down. 4 hour, pushing down, breaking the lows. Yeah, of course. 2 hour... bit whack, to be honest, as well. But I think this is all liquidity here. Hourly looks bearish. 30-minute is interesting. What does the 15-minute say? 15-minute shows more room to come down, actually. For right now, chat, let's take a look at some 30-minute levels. I think they're going to be the nicest today. You've got pretty much 2 levels here that we've rejected off of in the past, right? You've got 43.25. Which should take you back up towards these highs here. If you close above these highs here, that's going to take you up to the 60 level. By the way, chat. These candles are just ginormous now. It's ridiculous. Earlier, I was in a position earlier and I was up 50 pips. And it looked like break even. I literally it looked like break even. I was up 50 pips. Chat, back in the day, do you remember when 50 pips would have been a monster trade? That was like a once in a month type trade. Now 50 pips is pretty much break even, right? I mean the average, right? Yeah, I mean to be honest, they're actually too big. Like a little bit smaller would be perfect from what I've been told. I don't know, but anyway, chat, the buys are looking decent off the levels here. If we do close below, you are making bearish structure, which then is not good because then it's time for sells, right? But I don't really want sells today. 15-minute looks decent. Well, 15-minute actually looks good for sells. I can't lie. That's so big I can't handle it. Crazy. You can't handle it, you know. Chat, it's time for the milli. You know, yeah, I had a little break-even skis this morning. In fact, I tell a lie, chat. I was break-even on 3 accounts and I took a loss on 1 of the accounts. So, like, basically a 0.05% loss today. Yeah, same buys as most of you guys took, I think, huh? Same buys as Tom took. Low-key was the most valid position I've seen in a while. Head and shoulders. Bro, but what about the knees and toes? This is the thing everyone forgets, right? You need to remember the knees and toes. Because you have the head, shoulders. But now you need the knees and toes, knees and toes. So I don't know. We'll see. You have 10 minutes here to the hourly close. I actually low-key might take sells if this closes below and top wicks first. What? SG taking sells at all-time high on gold? No way. Can I buy 1 gold, please? Chat, 60 people in here. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Last stream of the week. Holy guacamole. Holy guacs, man. What's BTC and everything doing? Yeah, whack. Chat, is this the last stream on YouTube? I don't think it's gonna be the last stream. It's gonna be the last week before TRLS Academy. So next week there'll probably be 2 YouTube streams and then 3 in the Discord, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Almost like I joined the TRLS Academy. Almost like, man. Chat, for those of you who are in the TRLS Academy, there's a lot of you in there, to be honest. Welcome. If you haven't already joined, now's the last chance to get it for a discounted rate. Otherwise, you're gonna get beaten up. No, I'm joking. Please do 2 YouTube per week. Maybe, bro. I think most people are gonna join the academy anyway, just because of how valuable it's gonna be. Give it 2 weeks, and it's gonna just be. Oh my god, we took a dub in the academy. Oh my god, we took a dub. Oh my god, this member got a payout. Oh my god, this member got a payout. This member got a payout. It's exactly gonna be like that. There goes gold. Yep. Pushing down. We got room now towards 42.95. Interesting, chat. Low key, but though, how's everybody's week been? I'll join when I get my first payout. That's like saying I'll learn to drive when I pass my driving test. Just saying. Just saying. But chat, how's everyone's week been? Hopefully you guys have been good. You've had a lot of W positions. To be honest, I've had one little loss today, and that was the only loss all week. Other than that, it's been a W week. I think I'm pretty much up significantly on the top step XFAs. I haven't taken a trade on the Apex or the Traderify. Traderify is currently sat, I think, 5k in profit. Yeah, 4.991. Sue me, chat. $9 off. Nah, but yeah, 5k in profit on that. Gold is great, almost God is great, almost 10k week. W, bro, good shit. Took my first win earlier on my first PA yesterday. Actually, such a reality hit. I made more money on a 45-minute train journey than I did in 2.5 days of work. Yeah, trust me. SG, your 11k trade recap. Why did you hold? We were just monster bullish, bro. To be honest, chat, I hit a 12k. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that when I was telling you my week. Yesterday I hit a fucking monster trade, right? Like 10k in one trade. Something like this, right? I stacked like 3-4 positions. I think I closed like, where did I take that entry? I took that entry here and I closed like low-key somewhere around here, right? which is mad because obviously then after that, can you imagine, chat, if I took 10k on a trade like that, what would this trade have been? Low-key like 100 bandos. Just 10 bandos. Oh. Would you like to say hi to these?
Hello guys.
Hi.
We did not deserve to get stopped out there. That was cruel price action.
Chat, what if I've got a new meta for trading, chat. What if we just don't use stop losses? Because you'd still be in this.
I would, but look at this. Like, yeah, good actually. Wait. Really, oh, it makes lots of sense. I don't really know where my stops were. They were like here, I think.
Oh my god, it's TM from the TRLS Discord.
Yeah, really good. Look, liquidity, bullish. We're like more bullish than ever, and it just goes, hold on a moment. I must go down.
One liquidity, please. Yeah, but the thing is, right, if you just extended your stops, you'd still be in.
Ah, the 0.5 RR.
Why does no one think about this?
To be fair, if you delete stop loss and take profit, you can never get out the trade.
Oh, the perma trade.
You just hold it forever.
No, but if you think about it, right? If we would have just like put our TP here with our stops this big, you probably would have, well, still got stopped out.
Nice.
Oh, but hang on. The good thing is, right? Basically, what we've done is long-term invested. We've got like our long-term position, and then we're doing short-term trades in between. But our right position is still printing.
Mate, I'm telling you.
Chat, if you didn't know, me and Tom are still holding rights from this point here. So actually, I mean, realistically, now is probably a decent time to go BE on these rights.
Because I'm seeing a potential reversal coming along here. We might start moving left.
Look at this. This has been a good position so far. I mean, like, entry could have been better. I mean, we could have gone like back here somewhere, but I think we'll go stops to BE on this.
We just literally left tick the market.
Yeah, literally, I've just caught the exact left move. But I'm pretty confident this goes to. I mean, I'm pretty confident we'll go to Monday. Like, if we don't get to Monday, then I don't know what'll. What?
The market just stops and it doesn't reopen.
Yeah. Nah, I'm pretty confident on that one, low key. I literally made it this morning. Yeah.
Is it not pre?
You thought I just drank pre-workout? Yeah, that would be good actually, chat. Just pre-workout on stream will be sick. Chat, one day I should probably do that, low key. Maybe like on Monday's YouTube stream, I'll just pop some pre-workout and we'll see how it goes. I've just slicked it back, chat. That's all I've done. I've just slicked it back. Worst trading week I've had in a long time. 1.7% down on phase 2. 4.5% on phase 1. Ah, bro, that's nothing. You're good, man. Slow and steady wins the race, right? Oh. Right. This is... Chat, there's 70 viewing here right now, by the way. Make sure you drop a like if you haven't already. Is Bofa a good prop? Oh, fuck. And... He hasn't... Fair. Yeah, but you said I didn't think you'd fall for it. You didn't follow through with a joke. So technically I win. Technically I've won that. Man's nearly got you good then. Yeah, he actually did. I genuinely was so close to hitting a what's Bofa. Am I banned from one-on-one now? Yeah, get him out. Get him gone. Fuck, I've actually fallen for the both of these nuts. Holy shit, what's good, Leighton? How's it going, man? Dirty Bags, what's good, bro? I'm so confident now. I keep forgetting to open the streams. Everything I called this morning has happened, and I got my trade. Big W. Hey, W, bro. I've been top ticking sales since 3,000. We are not the same. Still holding. One day it will come back. Yeah, W, Ewan. Good shit. That's the top ticker mentality right there. Hard R. Ooh. All right, cool. Chat, what are you guys' plans for the weekends, man? What are you guys up to? What's your favorite firm to trade with? You said you did 10K one trade. Do you use 150Ks? That was personal, man. That was a personal. But I like to use trade. What's it? Apex is pretty much the best firm in my opinion for scalability. Alpha Futures too are pretty good. Other than that, you've got like Top Step. But chat, Apex and Alpha Futures actually have fat fucking sales right now. Code TRLS gets you the biggest discount always. Oh my god. Yes, okay. I need to start trading my Apexes more, man. I've been barely trading them. I've been ripping the Top Steps. How many figs is the personal? No figs, mate. I don't really like fruit that much. Oh my days. Top Step. Yeah, Top Step's looking good. Oh shit, 30-minute close, no bottom wick skis. Holy liquidity. It's kind of madness still. What the helly, chat? What the hellionte? He's the greatest, blood. No bottom wick on the 30-minute. It's kind of... Oh, and on the 1 hour. Holy skibbity. Not the holy skibbity, surely. Top steps you can rinse for profit, though? Yeah, you can. If we break 4,300 here, uh-oh, heads and shoulders will keep banging. It's the thing, bro. You need to remember the knees and toes, though. Seriously. That was good, Malinka. How's it going, brother? We are just rip skiing here, chat. Like absolute ripperonis. 4,300 is the floor to hold. Chat, I might just get the mega reversal here. To be honest, you got room all the way down to like 42, 43. Maybe even further, to be honest. Oh. I called 43 this morning in the analysis. Let's go, bro. Chat, by the way, was anyone in Tom's Discord stream this morning? It was actually a banger stream. And then also another little, like, breakout stream started as well. You guys just jumped in a call, which is good, man. That's what I want to see in the Discord. If you guys aren't in the free Discord already, then make sure you are. Yeah, I jumped back in like, well, I jumped back into the Discord like a couple of hours after Tom's stream, and there was people in there chatting, discussing some trades, hella value being dished out, good community going, all of them ones there, chat. I'm excited for this. This coming like X amount of time in the Discord is going to be really, really good. Chat, 75 people in here right now. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. What is gold doing, blood? If it just continues to rip down, this might just become the untradables. Untwistables, bruv. Twast. 5-minute might close bullish, though. It's not a bad little area for some for a pullback. I mean, we've ripped down how many pips now? It's got to be like 1,000, no? Skydwellskis? Maybe. 600. A little 600 pipper. News in 27 minutes. Is there news in 27 minutes? That's the question. What is it? All right. I don't see any news. Low key. So nice to see the members chat popping off yesterday. I think I copied your 10K trade, but was unsure. Worked out anyway. W, Ewan. Dubs, dubs, dubs. Yeah, the members chat was going crazy as well in the TRS Academy chat. El Bounco. You're familiar with bouncing on it, aren't you?
Only in a particular style.
Chat, gold's literally bouncing on it crazy style right now. 5-minute closing in 30 seconds. What if we make the milli though? That's the real question. Like, genuinely, what if we make the milli?
What are you even looking at here?
2-hour close, no bottom wick. 4-hour still has no top wick. This is ridiculous. Oh yeah, Tom, can you see chat from there? Or do you know this prop?
I can't quite make that word out. The one for it.
I don't know.
You can never fool me, mate. Too quick-witted.
I fell for it earlier. Did you hear?
The bofa.
Oh, both of these nuts in your mouth.
What are you even? What is even the thing to look at here?
Chat, look at the price action mirror here, right? We literally have like a big rejection off this area before. When you tap into 95, last time you were at these highs, you came down, swept the lows, tapped into 95, 91-ish, and then you rejected all the way back up towards the highs. So the same thing could happen here, and you could just end up creating the monster range between these two areas. Not saying it will happen, right? But the point is, we're pretty bearish right now, or we're pretty bullish in terms of higher time frame structure. Now you've just grabbed a monster load of liquidity, 1 hour closed.
You get the double McDonald's logo.
Yeah, 1 hour closed, no bottom wick as well. 4,300 is floor. His name is Stacks, to be fair, so...
He's literally... What he says goes.
To be honest, I do agree with you. I also agree with $10 million, chat. I think that's one of my favorite things to agree with, actually. I think $10 million is one of the most important things to think about when it comes to trading. Because if you make $10 million, chat, then you've got 10 mil, right? You know what I mean? And then if you've got a 10 mil account, you can make more trades. What does one even do with 10 mil? I saw an interesting TikTok about a guy who said if he got like 10 mil deposited in his bank account, the first thing he'd have to do was bust a nut so that he could use the post-nut clarity to make the decisions. I think he might be one of the wisest men of our generation. What happens if there's no bottom wick? Everyone dies. Literally everyone dies. It's kind of mad. Nah, I'm joking, but basically it means it can flip at any point, right? Mate, that should be taught in schools. That's what I'm saying. Chat, this might have been the move, though. This might have been the Rejeki of dreams. Imagine this just goes all the way up to the highs. I genuinely think that's a trend play right there, by the way, chat. In case you guys don't know the trend play, I need to teach that more, but I haven't taken one in a while, actually. You missed the move. This guy keeps coming in and saying I'm missing the move, man. Tell him to stop.
The trend play.
Tell him to stop.
Bouncing on a crazy style.
Uno. Chat, $1 million now, please. I'm deadly serious. Steve Backshaw. Chat, just you wait until me and Tom bring out the back shots and back testing podcast. It's going to be generational. What did I say about the bottom being here as well, chat, by the way? I reckon you guys just need to signal bot my word. Whatever I say, Tom's depressed. Fix him. You can't fix people that don't want to be fixed, man. Tom was talking to me earlier about, he said he's going to steal my car and wrap it around a lamppost. I can fix him? Huh? Oh, I can fix her? Her?
I can fix it.
I actually can.
It's because I just got finished journaling my 1% loss.
Chat, realistically, what if we make $10 billion? This is all that goes through my head every day. Or what about, nah, I need to change that. When we make $10 million.
When?
Just one 10x away from 10 mil. Just saying.
Holy moly, it is going back up.
Yeah, chat, we're ripping back up here. That 5-minute candle, by the way, is a light 200 points. Don't worry about it. Just a 200 pip or tick or whatever the fuck the word is. Tick. Took another trade for the top of the level. Nice, Tom. Get into country music. Country music slaps.
What if this is just a lower high?
Yeah, that's the problem. It could just be a lower high, right? Although the 1 minute did just break structure, technically. Chat, this could be good, you know. This could be a little bit of a techie bop. It could be a lit active techie step. Then what?
I'd say call the stream off.
Nah, it could be though.
Not the Wizzy ball.
I know consistency is key, but it's hard to stay consistent. That's why they say it's key.
Consistency is king.
Consistency starts with one day, right? This is what everyone thinks, like, oh, I need to be consistent. It's not about, oh, yeah, suddenly I'm consistent. It's like, oh, you're consistent one day. Just make sure you're consistent again tomorrow, and consistent again tomorrow, and consistent again tomorrow, and then suddenly it's been like months, and that's consistency. Everyone tries to do it all at once, but realistically, you just build it up slowly, and mad. I know it's a bar, bro, but I'm using it as a teaching opportunity, man. Allow me. Tom's stream, I said I feel like it has to come down at one point. We can't keep going up. Yeah. Chat, you know the rules. What goes up must come down. I'm not talking about gold either. I'm just gonna go for it.
Guys. Oh my days, we're ripping. Maybe it's because I've just sat down in the chair. Holy shit. Hold on, where's the shift key? Yeah, good actually. 200. Just in the blink of an eye. I mean, me personally, right, I've already taken a loss today, so I'm not going to trade this shit. But the only thing I'd be worried about is this just a lower high being put in? The only structure you're still really bullish on is the higher time frames. Not even really. Not at all, actually. I don't know, man. For me, I couldn't trade this. Maybe you caught the absolute bottom, but I don't know. For me, this is just so bearish. Full port is account. Don't tempt me, mate. Don't tempt me with a good time. Waiting for a closure above or below. I think I'll wait for the pullback. Let me go on the 30. I'll be waiting for a closure above before I do anything. Before I make any decisions. Yo, Ewan, what's good? Look different today, Sam. I know. I've just instantly become more handsome overnight. Check Discord. What, is that for me, Tom, or... Oh, Sam's back now.
Oh my days. Put it on full screen cam now. Full screen cam is
yep.
Wait. Look at the munch. Chat, look at this. Real talk.
I'm going to eat this in the kitchen though, because... Oh my days. You must have seen that streamer clip where he goes to show the streamer the food and it just all splats onto the setup.
Who cooked that? No, this is mine. Get the fuck off of it.
Oh.
Who cooked that? I cooked it with my mind. Like, I literally was I was in here, but telepathically cooking. Nah, my girl cooked it. Yo, we're actually ripping up. Holy shit. One sec. Oh, and SG's just called the fucking bottom yet again. Wow. Wow, he does it every day. How does he keep doing it? Check Discord. I will check Discord. Which one? Oh, Mr. 900 Bandos. You love to see it. Why does Price get scared of the magical lines you draw? Bro, that's actually fire. That's actually fire. I'm using that. I don't know, man. Well, I do know. It's because I'm actually the market maker. I got bars. I actually do draw the magical lines. Wait, let me wrap this wrap up, man. Wrap it up, yeah? Chat, always make sure you wrap it before you tap it. You know what I'm saying? 15-minute close, bullish, no top wick. Crazy work, chat. Absolutely crazy work. This is good, though. I think we're setting up nicely. Oh, my God. You're walking on thin ice? Shut up. Mmm. 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 Chat, that's what you call nom nom nom. I don't know if you've ever heard of that, but that's what you call it. What's in the wrap? It's egg, like scrambled egg, bacon, sriracha. Well, nice, mate. But chat, the problem is, right, don't go full porting buys right now because realistically, we are still like bearish in terms of price action here. I know this looks really good, and to be honest, if you caught that bottom, you could probably hold it forever. But I would wait for some more confirmation here. I mean, we will be waiting for more confirmation. Locked in, what's good, Raise? Chat, 100 people in the chat right now. Make sure you drop a like. Done for the day, good luck. Bro, use the little lockout button. I don't know if it's on Top Step or Alpha Futures or which one it is, but it's one of those platforms. Click the lockout button, it will stop you trading the rest of the day. I genuinely recommend that. I do it all the time. It's so good. Still planning Asia streams on Discord? Yeah, we'll see, man. I think so. I do want that to be a goal. It won't be me though. Gold will hit 5k faster than ETH. Didn't ETH already hit 5k? I mean, I closed at 5k. I mean, it was like 4.9 on ETH. I guess you mean just going back up there. Yeah, 4.9. Yeah. Low-key, I don't have any crypto anymore, chat. I'm all out of my crypto. If a Bitcoin goes below 100k though, holy skibs, man. That might be the opportunity. Chat, I've sold the top of every single major crypto I've ever held, by the way. So if you ever... Yo, low-key, I might need to start like a crypto signals thing. Because at this point... Why is that not working? Okay, maybe it is. I don't know. Done for the day. I took the sales at 720. My prop firm has a 2% daily cap, so I can't trade anymore. I was pissed, but I think it's a good idea to keep myself in line. Yeah, definitely, man. Definitely, K. Sorry. It is a good idea. I can't lie. Chat, how many of you guys trade Asia, though? That's the question. Because if you do, I think it's going to be sick when we have... Basically, we're going to have 24-hour streams, which is going to be pretty mad, no? If you think about it, in the Discord. What me and Tom are thinking of doing... Oh no, what we were talking about doing, I guess it's my Discord, but still. Yeah, we were both talking about this. I think I'm going to add a TRLS trader role, right? So basically, if you go through like either the TRLS Academy or the one-on-one, you become profitable. Down the line, I'll hire you to like trade one of the sessions, to stream it or send your analysis or whatever it may be. Slops and Sales podcast is crazy work. Tell Tom I told him it would tap 42.90 on FX and reject. Why did I... Bro, my head is not working right now. Yeah, fair. Sunday at 6 p.m. EST is the entry for gold and hold for the week. Price will trade the weekly open and keep trending up from there. Call the pod ticks and tips. Nah, nothing beats back shots and back testing. Chat, this shit is so good right now. It's literally... I can't even say that on stream. The most anabolic meal ever, though, for the morning. Chat, we've got 9 minutes to the 30 close. It looks so good. My girl is a ridiculous cook. Chat, remember back in the day, your mom would make, like, the most simple sandwich ever, but it'd always be better than the one that you make? Same with my girl, bro. It's pretty much a simple fucking wrap, right? But... it's just slapping. What do you mean morning, brother? It's 3 p.m. When did I say morning? Did I say morning? Chat, see what I said, man? We're just rejecting over and over downwards. Historically, after 9 bullish weekly candles, the next one was a reversal. I don't believe in that shit, bro. I don't believe in the, like... What's good, by the way, Kick? Personally, I don't believe in the... Oh, we've had X amount of bullish candles, so we must have a bearish one, because... Realistically... I mean, you could say that... We should have a bearish one, like, you know... Many times throughout this chart. Where can I find a girl that can cook well? Not in Rock City, bro. Not in Rock City, that's for sure. Maybe not even in England. I think English girls are pretty much finished. You agree?
What?
I know said, where can you find a girl that can cook well? I said, not in England.
Yeah.
Although the likelihood is a lot lower.
Definitely not in pop world, mate.
Yeah, I said not in Rock City. Definitely not in Rock City. Chat, we might flip here on the hourly.
We're coming back down.
Why don't you bring your girl on stream? Why would I want to subject my girl to your guys' degeneracy, huh?
I literally inhaled that thing.
I'm still going on it, mate. Same name. Oh shit, there's 2 Anils. Definitely the same guy. Bro's just switched to his alt account. What do you mean? Tom's girl is right behind him? Tom's girl's behind him? Behind you's the wardrobe, mate. He's locked her in the wardrobe. How's her trading journey going? Good, I think. I mean, she's been hella busy traveling and shit, so I don't think she's been doing much, but... She's definitely a... She's definitely a better trader than that female streamer we were talking about the other day. She actually would outtrade most of those female streamers.
I'm aura farming in the Discord at the minute.
Nah, I fucked that up. Bye, chat. See ya. Yeah, Ewan, I can't lie. You did fuck it up. I'm not gonna lie. It's fine, though. We forgive you. Also, now wishing to sell this, but history don't lie. I think gold's mega bullish, bro. Honestly, though, me and Tom were talking about this last night. I don't think I've ever seen a push-up like this on any other... asset other than like a meme coin, right? Yeah, last night's run up. By the way, I took a fat position on all my top steps on the run up yesterday, like for a total of like 750. So I guess not fat. It was really low risk, but the runners were good. But the point is, yeah, it's like a meme coin, bro. I've never seen anything just go parabolically upwards like gold does. Mmm. Loki, is that not better than when we do it?
That was scrumptious.
How's that even possible, bro? It's eggs.
You've not had your mix on them, no.
This range is fucked, yeah. Yo, Asia Open last night chat was ridiculous as well. Low-key, like, I was watching it and we just went, oh, okay, goodbye. And then it just popped up like, bro, I swear in the first like 5 minutes it moved like 300 ticks.
Yeah, it was ridiculous. I wasn't really watching it for that long, but it was actually kind of crazy.
Moving like Tate's car, yeah. Hilarious. I would hate to be streaming Asia's, jeez.
Why can't you just do take backsies on trades? That's what I want to know.
By the way, G, appreciate the talking videos. They're helpful. Yeah, no worries, man. Chat, if you haven't already, make sure you join the free Discord. Especially if you're new to the channel. We'll call you Anil 2.0, right? I'm going to have to stick with my boy Anil 1.0 for the 1.0 name. But you can be Anil 2.0, don't worry. For when the third Anil joins, you'll be second in the hierarchy. No, I'm playing, bro. 5 closed back below. Oh.
I'm just struggling to read this price action. Really...
Well, there isn't really anything to read.
That's what I'm saying. I don't really know. I honestly don't know if it's going to go up or down or not.
Chat, take a look at this Top Step dashboard real quick. By the way, look at this fucking account right now. 1.1k in profit, right? Best day, $227. Worst day, 72 cents. Tell me that's not risk to reward right there. Average losing day is is 72 cents. In fact, yeah, fuck me for having a losing day. I take it back. Do they give a profit score here? What? Wadi Bomber, average risk to reward, 4.33 to 1. Actually suck a knob, mate. That's ridiculous.
What, risk to reward?
My average risk to reward on these top steps is 4.3 to 1. Chat, I changed my mind. I'm a bottom ticker.
Exactly. Like, I don't know if we actually do trade 1-to-1 or that. I think since I've come out here, I don't think I've taken a single negative RR trade.
You definitely have. Certified ticker, W, bro. Chat, listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already, man. What I want to see is this 30 close above and then see what happens. If it does close back above and you get like a strong bottom wick, we could have a look at the buys. It's quite aggressive though. But then again, following previous PA, this is a good area for us to reject. I would just want to see maybe a sweep of these lows here, like this wick low here. Because if you sweep this and this, what will then happen is you can put your stops below there safely, right? But if you haven't swept it, you could have your stops like below that low, and then it could come down and just go bang, thank you for the stops, and I'll see you later, right? This could still happen. It could still come down and sweep this low and this low here. So just be patient, chat. But there's a lot of opportunity today, I can't lie. Also, chat, if you guys haven't seen the most recent talking video, make sure you go watch it. It was fucking rate good. Wait, has Tate got a boxing match in December? What's that cat?
Surely not.
Oh, and our favourite fake guru is apparently up 8 mil.
Who? Ah. Something light to start the day off.
Yeah, floating 8.5 mil, something light, you know.
Maybe he gets another face tap.
He can probably afford another face tap now. Oh, chat, all the influencers have started bear posting Bitcoin as well on Twitter. I'm seeing Bitcoin's going to 25k, Bitcoin's going to come further down. that means they want to pump the bags down so that you can buy back in, or so that they can buy back in. All right, chat. 30 close here in about 40 seconds here. Let's see what's going to happen. What's the highest payout you got? Depends what you're talking about. Because if you're talking about highest withdrawal from my personal account, it's probably like $36,000. In terms of payouts, I don't really take... I'm not one of those people who takes mega payouts. I take lots of payouts steadily and consistently, like 2K, 2.5K, 1.8K, whatever it is, man. I get like a couple of percent, 1%, and I'm done. I'll be doing the same with the top steps, man. With these top steps, the one I just showed you, right? It's 1K, they're 1K in profit, right? But I need the 3 trading days, so I'll probably get them to like 1.6 total, maybe a bit higher. And then I'll take the $800 payout on 4 accounts, which will be what, 2.4K? Or is that maths terrible? It is 3.2K. And I'll just repeat that over and over and over, right? I'm not going to try and... I actually do not believe in going for the mega cock, big ego, I got 10 billion bandos payout. I know it does better on social media, which is why you see it more often. But slow and steady wins the race. How long did it take you to realize psychology is more important than strategy? This 30, nah, it closed way too weak, Danny. Look at that top wick on it. I don't think psychology is more important than strategy, to be truly honest. I think they're both equally as important. But I mean, look, it takes a while for you to realize strategy is important, yes, because you think everyone thinks they're different. Everyone's like, oh, nah, couldn't be me that ends up full porting and losing. Couldn't be me. Get me in the TRLS Academy chat. If you're not already in the TRLS Academy, I'm doing daily live streams in there, as well as my full course. Basically, if you're struggling to become profitable and you don't have a crazy amount of money to invest, it's the best fucking opportunity out there. Why are you on Top Steps old dash? I don't know, bro. They put me on it. Is there a way to transfer over? I might start faking paper trades and start a social media platform. Yeah, to be honest, that is the meta, you know. I could never do it. I've thought about it, chat. But low-key, I'd rather just make money trading and not put that much effort into faking it, right? Like, if some of these people put as much effort, it's like those guys, it's like those guys that, you know, try and pretend to be me in the Discord. They put so much effort into trying to scam. Why don't you just put that much effort into, like, either learning to sell or learning to trade or whatever it may be? You know what I'm saying? Chat, we're ripping back up. I genuinely think this reverses the whole move. I think we push up towards the highs here. I could be wrong, chat, but I've got a very big feeling about this. Maybe if we break above 25 here, that'll be the entry for me. Bombaclot! What's good, Discipline?
This is just like intuition trading at this point as well, because PA is...
It's not intuition though. It's based off of like the price action mirrors to the left. It'll be based off of a market structure shift, a breakout above the level. If everything forms correctly, this could be very nice. Like if the 5 closes above 25.9, it would have made a higher high now, breaking market structure as well as a higher low. You'll have 1 hour potentially bullish close back into the range, which is a fake out. Loads of shit, man. How much important is discipline in trading? Very. It's the most important thing. SG, how much is the price next week? I don't know, bro, but it will go up. $1 million. Fuck it. $1 million. Yeah, of course. The Asian session push from support was a batty push. Not sure about the batty push. Meow 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 meow.
Oh, what's can't put on a story? Just $7 quadrillion.
Thoughts on ICT? I think it's overcomplicated bullshit that basically just replaces market structure. To be honest. Look what I just sent you. Can you explain discipline in your words? Doing the shit you know you need to do even when you don't want to do it.
Can I click this link?
It's a Twitter link.
You sent me a Trojan horse virus to my phone.
Good. Overdoing it, in my opinion. Yeah, bro. It's like
Doing tricks on it.
it's literally pointless. I mean, it's basically chat. I took a 10k trade yesterday, and the only real confluence I used was market structure. Right? Did it make another higher high and a higher low? Oh yeah, it did. All right, I'll take some buys. Discipline, doing something you don't want to do, like you love it. Facts. It could be possible, no?
100%.
That's not good. That means the price of gold will just rip down.
So we just need to place a limit order for sales. Hold it until it goes to 0. And then we sail off into the sunset.
Do you think that's what's happening? Chat, I just read a thing about the US government using like gold and silver prices to pay off the fucking national debt and shit like that.
Thoughts on Bogo?
Yeah, but to be fair, the debt's 37 trillion. How would that... no, it would lower the price of gold like crazy, yeah. Chat, 1 hour closing here in like... Oh, shit, 25 minutes. All right, we're not even close. 5 minute failed to break the high. This is interesting, chat. I can't lie. Very, very interesting. So I think if we're going to get a position here, it's going to be off that 2 o'clock close. Wait, I'm going to get some water. I'll be back in a sec.
Guys, I've taken over again. This is actually kind of interesting though. You might have to just scratch what I was saying before about how I reckon this just keeps going down. We are starting to make structure on the 1 minute. Low key, low key, low key. The buys might be back on the table. I mean, look at this 2 hour, man. What is this? It's actually crazy. One full port, please. Are we going to get the closure? That is the real question. 15-minute close, that's a while off. I think we just need to watch the 5 for now. 15's not for another 7 minutes, so I think we just wait and see if the 5 closes. Yeah, what's up, Nardo? How you doing, man? How you doing? 50 lot for like 3 seconds, mate. At this rate, I can make him like £1 million. Just out of curiosity. Right, well, brilliant. He's got it on ticks, so we don't actually get to know how much money it is. I would presume a lot, though. Could you check DMs later, G? Yeah. I mean, I can check them now when Sam's back streaming. I'm assuming you mean me. If you mean Sam, then I can't check Sam's DMs. I'm cooling, mate. I'm cooling as well. I took a little L a little bit ago. I took this. I was targeting all-time highs. Stops were like somewhere in this candle. This was the position I took based on, you know, we were super bullish on all the time frames. You got this liquidity work, this liquidity work, this liquidity work. And I was like, yeah, this is just gonna pump it up. But for some reason, this means sell, which is new to me, to be honest. So yeah, stopped out 1%, $500 done for the day, done for the week actually, and yeah, that's it. This is my Insta. I'll put it in there. So that's me in the chat. TMAC Futures, TikTok and Instagram, and my Discord, all the same. You are right, Danny. That is what it should have done yesterday. Honestly, though, like if you took this, because I'm imagining some of you probably did, you can't be upset that this hit stops. Like this was a super valid trade. I just finished. I can show you guys on my laptop here. I just finished journaling it up right now, and as painful as it is to log in negative 500, that's just the game, innit? And yeah, I did actually say at the very start of my stream that seeing it was a Friday, I'd had a good week. I might just, I might just not trade today. Took a trade, got burned for it. So I guess that's a learning lesson. But this setup just looks so good. So unbelievably good. Like, you even had room, right? When you dropped to the 1 hour, like I was just targeting the lower resistance out the two. Like you could have literally... You could have targeted this. I was being conservative with my trade, but yeah, that's just the game sometimes.
£1,000? You can, were you talking?
No, I just finished.
Hold still, I just finished. Yeah, chat. You got paid to play? That is a very good way to put it.
You have paid to play. Honestly, guys, this is one with my Friday evening that I might go back in, have a little watch on the replay mode, because, I mean, maybe you can explain it better. I'm still unsure what the comp looked like, or what indicated this. I don't really understand it myself. For me, this was like more than an A+ setup. This was like the perfect setup. And... you just obviously got stopped out, so yeah.
Yeah. Good luck on your PAs, Mr. T-Mac.
Thank you, mate. Thank you. I will be starting these from Monday, my PAs. So yeah, if you want to see me take my first PA trade, then pull up to the London streams in Sam's Discord.
This is when it does what it did to me, right? When I was like, all right, I'm $1 million funded now. I'm going to start trading these on Monday. Cool. And then you just get the PA of doom.
The pod.
Yeah, the powered.
But if we get the PA of doom, then that means everyone gets the PA of doom.
I want a buying opportunity on cryptocurrency, and I think this might be it. Low Kizzy. You know what I mean? Good. Good. Chat. You ever tried line chart? No, because I'm not a major paedophile. Yeah, let me just trade this actually. That'd be sick. Nah, actually, that's cold. Hang on, wait.
No, how do you get the trend lines out?
Yeah. Oh.
Guys, we're moving up. Oh, we're moving down again.
Loki, you can kind of still see the support and resistance there. Look, it respects the level. What else should we try? What about the
volume footprint?
I mean, that volume footprint is actually, yeah, I haven't unlocked it.
You're not prestiged yet.
Yeah. That's actually quite good.
The pasta formation.
No, it's the noughts and crosses. This is cold, chat. I don't know why you guys don't trade this. It's all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 X's, 3 circles. Patterns form better?
That is actually nonsense.
I don't agree. Hi, Kinashi.
Are there people that are profitable that do that?
Yeah, I presume so. There's always someone with a weird, like, alternative meta that they think is, like, the goated way to trade. Oh, mate, you have to trade with the spunk candles equipped. It's just, like, splodges all over the screen or some shit like that. Chat, we're in the rod right now. Yet again, we're in the rod. Nigel. What is going on, man? Chat, I feel like gold is so artificially inflated. Holy shit. Gold market going crazy. People rushing to buy gold in Vietnam.
What?
What?
Oh my god, look at that 1 minute candle. Look at the 1 minute. It's a big ripper.
Yeah, that is crazy.
When did that tweet come out?
Holy shit, look at this, man. Like, even in New York, just a big line to buy gold. Is 10k per month enough to live your lifestyle? Yeah. I think so. I spend around 10k a month. I'm not gonna lie. Every month. So, yeah, I guess it's around enough. You probably won't be saving anything though. Bro, the mad thing is, like, bro.
I don't like thinking about this, honestly. It kind of just gives me no hope for the world.
Low-key, this is kind of scary, chat. Like, actually kind of scary. Let's see if I can find it on my PC. Chat, what did the 15 do? Did it just close above? Yeah, it actually kind of did. No bottom wick, though. Look at this shit.
These guys are just going to be the liquidity.
That's what I'm saying. This guy says, oh, they know what's coming, which is a financial crash. Do you not think, actually, the fact that now...
A financial crash is just so obvious.
Yeah, but now regular people are buying gold.
Yeah.
That means that gold won't be the thing to push. Yo, wait, I want to find the other thing I saw. I don't know, fuck it. The chat, that is kind of scary, eh? I feel like gold has ripped so far to the point where... I don't think it's just ridiculous now.
Yeah. It's stupid.
But what happens, actually?
I don't even know, honestly. We're in unprecedented times right now.
So I just sent Tom a video, basically it was about like the Federal Reserve being replaced by another entity, right? And them using the price of gold to artificially prop that up to then buy leverage cryptocurrencies to then reduce, like, pay off the debt, right? The US debt. But when you say it out loud, it sounds like a conspiracy.
Sounds a bit tinfoil hat, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. But you know what? Everything tinfoil hat in the past 5 years has come true. So I don't know.
Low-key kind of spitty.
It's mad how, yeah, every single conspiracy theorist in the last 5 years has been right about like 90% of things.
Yeah.
Scary times, chat. Chat's like, shut the fuck up and tell me where this one candle's gonna go now.
One candle, please.
Fear is still not big enough? I don't know, man. I feel like it is.
I think there's a monstrous amount of fear. I'm fearful. I'm relatively not fearful in these situations.
Read it.
Is it from?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, chat. 10 minutes to the hourly close. What I'm going to do now is I think I'm going to wait until the hourly close, see what happens. If we do close back above here, buys don't look terrible, but I would need some liquidity being grabbed on the next candle, so like a bottom wick to be formed, and then maybe the buys back up. Will it close above? Yeah, I don't know. That's the thing. When price closes above a level for you, what you were looking for to enter off of? Is it a candle flipping? Yeah, sometimes the bottom wick and a flip, sometimes an entry off the wick, sometimes I enter straight away, depending on whether we've grabbed enough liquidity or not, right? Chat, by the way, there's 80 people in here right now. And yeah, make sure you drop a like, man. Only 27 likes. How are we going to like it in the Discord stream? Oh, yeah, true, actually. There will be no likes. That's crazy. Morning, Brace. What's good? Gene, how's it going, man? Did you read it? Chat, this is such whack PA. Low key though, it is a Friday, right? So the most important thing to think about is, chat, you don't want to be forcing a position here. Like, you literally don't want to be forcing a position. Most important thing is, if you force a position now and lose, chat, you're going to be so pissed off for the entire weekend that it's actually just going to be annoying. So I like to be a lot more risk off over the weekend. Oh, not over the weekend, but coming into the weekend, sorry. So I'll definitely be like less apprehensive to take trades on Friday, etc. We should make a group TRLF Spotify playlist. Yeah, me and Tom might, yeah, well, we've got the take profit one. We can also make a group one too. That'd be sick. Let's do it. Let's do it. Alright. Yeah. Check Discord after stream. I will do. Whoa. All right, cool, chat. This actually could be decent here. My bad, I was just typing something out. Damn, what those fingers do? My bad. I was typing a mega message. Are you entering crypto? I'm going to look for some... DMs. All right, yeah, I will do. Well. I'm going to look for some entries, potentially. All right, cool. 3 minutes, chat. Reckon I should go BE? Wait, where'd you go? Where'd you get in? Where'd you get in, Mr. Huge? Chat, by the way, 80 people, 30 likes. 20 off, 50 likes. Let's drop a little like on the stream. I appreciate it very, very much. It really does help out. Like I said, chat, by the way, this is going to be the last week of 5 streams a week on YouTube. TRLS Academy opens up on Monday. So... make sure you jump in there if you haven't already, right? Like I said, the price increase is coming. And yeah, realistically, there is so much fucking opportunity in that group. It's going to be insane. The value inside it is just ridiculous. If you're struggling to trade, struggling to become profitable, the stream's been helping you. There's literally zero reason why you wouldn't jump in the TRLS Academy, right? I'm so excited to stream in the Discord as well. Low key. Is there a link for the academy? I just sent it in right there. This one right here. Yo, I still can only see like usernames. I can't see names, which is so weird. So there you go. Chat, how are we going to close above here? Holy shit, we might actually get a position, low key. Can we get a Eugene cooking segment in the Discord streams? Yeah, that'd be jokes. I'm not sure we want to see that. There's no way we could have done it on the YouTube because we would have definitely got banned. I had a cold burger pizza. Want to see? Cold burger pizza.
I'm not really that. Just breezing over the fact that it's a burger pizza, a cold one.
Chat, 50 seconds here till the close. Low key, 5 minutes making bullish structure. 15 minutes is making bullish structure. We tapped into the level. 30 minute and 1 hour closing bull. I'm gonna be if I be taking this, if I take this, chat, it's gonna be with a lot lighter risk, right? But if the hourly does close above here and make a bottom wick, I don't see why this wouldn't be a valid position. I think I'd have to take it on the flip though, chat. I'm not gonna lie. Not the wick. Holy stops.
Holy stops.
And oh, can we make a bottom wick, chat? I would like quite a big wick though, I can't lie. It's not the most enticing 15-minute close either, to be honest. 15 close kind of like doji.
It is coming down though.
Yeah. Check the link, bro. It's saying 93 with tax and service fee added on. Yeah, I think that's about right, bro. I mean, I don't think there should be... It's like $74 standard price, and then, yeah, maybe if it added tax, then, yeah. I don't get the tax, though. I think that just goes to the platform or to my taxes or some shit. I don't know. Flip this candle. Yeah. That 15 close is really putting me off, by the way. Like the way it just, yeah, nah. I don't like this, chat. I don't like this. I mean, it could rip. It respected this high. 15 close doji. I'm not saying it doesn't rip here, chat. I'm just
Mate, look at the size of these bars.
I know.
15.
I know, it's ridiculous.
There's so many. You never really see that many back to back to back.
Yeah, chat, I'm going to call it a week here, man. I just thought about this. I'm not in the right headspace to be taking a trade right now, personally. Because I know that if I lose this, I'm going to be pretty pissed off because it's a Friday, right? As well as that, it's not 100% formed. It's quite aggressive. I think the best move here, chat, is to just not take a position. I'd rather stay disciplined. If you want to take it, the flip is not like a terrible option. But I'd rather stay patient. All right. So chat, listen, drop a like on the stream if you haven't already. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you join the Discord. Most importantly, make sure you join the TRLS Academy ready for next week's stream. Sir. And yeah, chat, listen. Here's the GeoGuessr link. Let's get it started. Yo, for $74 a month, bro. That's like the most fucking valuable thing I've actually ever seen. Low key. All right, let's start it up. Can it load? Oh, okay. Where is this, like Mexico or some shit? Colombia. Would there be a possible play? Bro, not really that I can think of right now. Unless it forms a lot nicer on the 1 hour, gets like a really strong, on the next 30 minute or 1 hour, gets like a crazy strong closure above. Then maybe, right? Mummy SG is crazy. Mummy SG, you know.
That's reminded me of that TJR clip. Like, you know, the one where he's pretended to soar at AI.
Yeah. Is this the UK? I feel like it's...
Oh, it's Northumberland. Oh.
Not quite, mate. Don't worry. It's fine.
I always think it's Northumberland.
Bomberos. Yeah, the Spanish ones always fuck me up, bro. I never know where they are. Oh. Well, that makes me think a specific country. I mean, I could be wrong, but... Okay, it wasn't. But it's literally said Escobar. Fuck yeah, I had to give it a go on that one. Low key. Low kizzy. Yeah, Triz, how did you get on that, bro? That's ridiculous. It's gotta be somewhere like this, no? Bahrain, somewhere like that. Qatar. Yeah, man, I'll take it. Close enough. Final round, chat. I'm actually not even in top 5. This is diabolical. That was a decent comeback from me on that last one, but Triz is actually cooking here. Again, this is gonna be another guess from me. I'm terrible at these like Spanish-y ones. Oh, I was gonna go Colombia, but I thought it couldn't be it 3 times in a row. All right, chat. Oh, I've snuck my way into 3rd place. I will take that. I was pretty close to 2nd as well. Triz first. Someone else came 2nd. I can't pronounce that name. And then I'll take a 3rd. Chat, listen. Much love. I'll see you guys next week for the streams. YouTube will probably be on Monday, to be honest. So I'll see you guys for the streams. And other than that, listen, man. Peace out, guys. Have a great weekend. See you all later. Bye-bye.